Hi, it's Dave Kinsare with an on-demand product spotlight. An impactful variety for the 2022 season is the new Augusta Lavender Heliotropium. Now, some of you may remember a heliotropium we had in our program years ago. Augusta Lavender is more vigorous, more upright, has a denser habit, and larger flower clusters. This large, vigorous, thriller or filler type plant has amazing heat and humidity tolerance. Another variety that will thrive in the warmest of climates, yet also performed wonderfully in our northern trial sites. Augusta Lavender's lavender purple flowers with a starry yellow eye has a dense but open enough habit that will mingle well with other plants and recipes. An excellent cut flower plant that attracts pollinators, Augusta Lavender will be a hit in landscapes and containers everywhere.